The wet blade assembly is designed to be used with the 64, 48, and 32-ounce standard containers. Does not fit new household low-profile 64 container or 48-ounce container. Does not fit commercial MP, XP, Advance or XL containers. Our hardened stainless steel blades never require sharpening, and a double set of stainless steel bearings increase the life of the blades and keep the blender running quieter longer. This blade is not compatible with newer containers, it is meant for older models. Wet Blade 1152. These hardened stainless steel blades can handle everything from crushing ice to making smooth puree. This blade assembly is designed for quick on-site replacement with an existing compatible container. For use with the 64-ounce, 48-ounce, and 32-ounce standard containers. This product is intended for commercial use only. Laser cut blades. Our hardened stainless steel blades never require sharpening, and a double set of stainless steel bearings increase the life of the blades and keep the blender running quieter longer. Menu versatility. The wet blade is ideal for kitchen applications like soups, sauces, puree, sorbets, and more. It also delivers excellent blend quality for a wide range of beverages. Quick replacement. The wet blade assembly is conveniently designed to be replaced quickly, on-site, with an existing compatible container. Compatible with standard containers. The wet blade assembly is designed to be used with the 64, 48, and 32-ounce standard containers. Top reviews from the United States. It works again. The container of my Vitamix 5200 started leaking from the bottom several months ago. First it was just a tiny leak. Though it was from me not tightening the retainer nut enough after removing it to get a thorough wash. So I tightened it some more. Still leaked. Oh well. Not a big deal. Just wipe up the Vitamix top after each use. Well, it continued to get worse through the months until it was just a continual drip. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to be blending anything with this anymore. So, in looking for a solution, I figured I'll try just replacing the rubber gasket in the blade assembly. Hey, don't judge, it's a $3 versus a $65 fix. Can't hurt to try, right? Well, as you might have guessed, it wasn't it. Finally sucked it up and bought the wet blade assembly. It was easy to replace once I got the retainer nut off. I soaked the container itself in some vinegar for a while to get off all the buildup first. The new one doesn't sit flushed against the retainer nut, it sinks down maybe 1/32. Not a big deal as long as it doesn't leak on me. Been using it every morning now for a few days and it's holding up well.